Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete tweets and replies on Twitter. First, open your Twitter app. Now tap on Account on the top left. Now tap on Profile. Once you're here, go to the tweet that you want to delete and then tap on the three dots on the right. After that, just select Delete Tweet. Now confirm. And to delete replies, go to a tweet where you have a reply. To show you guys, I'll reply on a tweet and delete it to demonstrate. Once I found the tweet, I'll tap on it to go to replies. Now, I'll type in my reply in the bottom. Once you find the tweet, just tap on it and then tap on tweet to reply on the bottom. After that, I'll type in my tweet. And to remove it, all you have to do is press and hold or tap on the three dots and then select delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.